So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Stellar, ticker symbol XLM, cryptocurrency here in KOHO Financial. So once the app's opened up in the bottom left, press the Home tab here. Then at the top where it says Spend, Credit, Borrow, Save Interest, press on Interest. Then on the KOHO Crypto page right here, press in the middle where it says Explore Crypto. Now it could appear for you guys on the home screen here, so if you scroll down and see it, then select it. If not, all good, press on See All, and then just scroll down. So for me, it's Stellar, ticker symbol XLM, or you can go to the top and do the exact same thing. Once you press on it, press Buy or Sell. In this case, you want to buy it, so press Buy. Then just go ahead and answer the next few questions here to get your account approved. And if you're all good to go with cryptocurrency, you can proceed with the transaction of buying Stellar. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Stellar, ticker symbol XLM cryptocurrency on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.